how to remove a passkey from your ChatGPT account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove a particular passkey or rename it, and especially remove it in case you do not no longer needed it. So let me show you how you can do that. First, go to the chatgpt.com website and then click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now once you've clicked onto this, you will see a set of menu that appears right here. From here, click onto the settings option, and within the settings, go to the security option. Now within the security, click onto the security keys and passkeys option, and you can also see the last passkey and the edition date as well. Simply click onto this and it will show you all of the passkeys that are currently present along with the date as well and the name as well. You can simply click onto these three dots and you have these two options. The first one is to rename by clicking onto this rename option, and the second one is to remove that particular passkey. Click onto this remove button and you will see that the particular passkey will be removed in a little time, and it will simply refresh your chat GPT, after which if you will go to the security option, it says that it will give you a prompt which says delete Google Password Manager. You will need to click onto this delete option, and once you will do this, you can see that the passkey has been successfully deleted and is now no longer available here. So that's how easily you can delete a passkey in ChatGPT. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.